Hello there, dear motorized bike enthusiasts. Welcome to my YouTube channel one more time. It's New Hope here, and I want to say I have successfully fixed my top end. I've changed it. The issue I was having with idling is now over. However, there is something awesome going on right now that I really don't know. I'm so excited. Um, though the engine is still within its braking period and I am not allowed to go at a full speed. I have to keep it around below 20, and it's tempting though. Yeah, all of us know that is the most boring period of your engine life. So honestly speaking, what is really blowing my mind right now with my engine is that I have gained so much power that I haven't, I mean, like, there's so much torque. I haven't really tested a full speed yet, but the torque, I can take off. This is a 44 tooth sprocket, and I can take off if the engine is running. I can just take off by releasing the clutch gradually, and it goes like I can feel that the power is twice what it came originally with, or when I bought the engine fresh. The power feels twice that much at the moment. I really don't know if it is because of the twin spark, because it responds to throttle. The throttle response is rapid, like almost instant. That is something I've also noticed, and there is so much torque. Seriously, I was climbing hills without, and if the engine, it felt like I was moving on a flat surface. Guys, I don't know what I've done, but I'm loving this. Seriously, I am loving this. The new engine, top end, the piston and cylinder are all new. I just installed them, and the speed, sorry, and the torque I'm experiencing is awesome. I never felt that. I don't know. I never felt that with the original, in the original version of the Fred when it came at first. But after doing the rebuild, now I feel like I I have been um living in I don't know how to describe it. I can now feel the engine, like what I actually paid for. It's now that I'm actually feeling it. It's just awesome. I don't know. I just don't know if it's because of the twin or whether the cylinder is just a great cylinder in any way, or whether it's that because I installed the twin plugs during the time that the old cylinder was on, but because of the scorings, I felt it couldn't really give out the performance. But after I've changed it, I feel I'm still within the braking period. I don't know how much of that torque I'll be gaining again or power I'll gain again after the braking is over. I'm trying so hard because it's really tempting, but I'm trying so hard to keep the speed within the required limits. But it's tempting, my dear. You just increase the speed and you are gone like that. Phew. It feels like you are riding a real motorcycle. That is what I want to update you on, and I would really love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks so much, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video as well. I'll keep you updated. And oh, before I end this video, I've checked the power or the voltage of the magneto for running the accessories of the bike, and at idle I was getting 0.35 volts, and full throttle I was getting 4.5 thereabout. Yes, so I guess I'd have to build my circuit around that voltage. I just don't know how much current is coming at the moment yet. So that is all for now. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye bye.